Viewers and subscribers, today's I learned a very big lesson. I know this lesson, but unfortunately I took a trade and I went into loss. Actually, I took two trades. One I entered with loss, big loss, and another trade and entered and made little profit. But overall, it's a loss come loss. Okay. Today the market had a wide CPR in Nifty, and I viewed that market will be bearish and sideways today overall. So I saw the trading indicators and CPR levels, but when I marked initially the market it was it did not touch the R1 level. It was in between the pivot and the R1, and it started coming down, and I got an indicator signal. I blindly followed that and entered into the trade. I know it has to come outside this, then only I can sell like that, I know. But what happened, I did not simply saying at emotion I sold here, that is bought P, and I made with the loss. Okay, see, that's all what happened. Then after here I went into call option and made a little profit. Here also what happened, I thought the market will go up to here. Suddenly it rebounds. Then my profit also got stuck. So I made limited profit. After that, what happened? It went up. I quitted and came. I saved my losses. So this is what happened today. As the strike price was 17,500 PE and 17,600 CE were having highest open interest, so I took that one. And this is the market depth was not at all confirmed. I blindly entered and the market depth was against my trade. Always both in the both PE and CE both were not showing a particular direction. Even in the PE and PE also, see, the market went up. Then the C call option market depth should be positive, right? That also showing negative. I don't know why. I have no idea at all. But I did not see the market depth. The market depth was against my trade. I entered and I made a loss. When whichever trade I positively entered, all the market depth, okay, the market depth, market depth, very important. Market depth, very important. So I not followed that one. I entered in loss. Similarly, trade when the retracement takes place, when it's away from the pivot or resistance or support, then only you should enter the trade. I entered in the pivot when the price was within the pivot, then I made a loss. Okay, exit at 1:1 target from the signal or next support or resistance, whichever comes earlier, hurdles comes earlier, you have to quit to make profit. Okay, see what happened today. I entered at 75.7 and exited at 40 after a very almost near the opening candle height. So I booked a profit, booked my loss and came. Okay, I could have exited at 51.7, but with a loss of 1,250, but I prolonged my losses. Market depth was not in favor. Then also I tried let the trade go and I made a 8,800 rupees loss. And then a second trade I took, it was a call option trade. The market was currently see first I took this one P. I took this one thinking that the stock price is going, the Nifty is going to fall. Then it started rising. Okay. After that, once again I went into the P, bought P. When I bought the P, this one here, from here the market was going to fall down, I know, because it was the highest point, the previously high could not meet that one. So I entered here, put option, and to recover my losses I was planning that it to come up to here, this level, but it did not go to that level. It bounced back, and I booked my losses and came out. So this is what happened in this. See, 30 I entered, 41 I exited. Minimum profit, it went up to 62. My target was 81, 85, so that I can book my losses, but it did not happen. Here, if I have I entered at 75 at the pivot level, center pivot I entered, thinking that it will go up, but I should not have taken that one. Okay, no problem, it's a wrong decision. But when the trade was going away from my direction, I should have come out, but it did not come out. I made a big mistake. This is the reason. I will tell you why I failed, and I have an important slide I have prepared. I will show you what are the steps for entry and exit. Okay. Second trade I entered 30, exited 41, profit 514. If I exited at the CPR outer level, I would have got 150 rupees. Okay, I did not do that one. Okay, that was the immediate hurdle. Okay, it went above the hurdle, but suddenly got below. Okay, this is the important lessons. Entry at the rebounce hurdle. When initial candles between CPR range, wait for the breakout. Don't go into the trade. Take entry only rebound the CPR outer line or the R1 or S1. Look mainly for R1, S2. Okay, CPR outer lines for rebounds. Take Iganashi as reference or indicator as secondary reference. Yes, they will not hit immediately. Okay, when immediately it comes, see that whether you take trade only at the CPR that hurdle line level, then only we can make profit. It is my observation. Also, the market depth should be favorable. In many cases where all the profitable trades, I see the market depth is in favor of me. Okay, when to exit for next hurdle, sir? Next hurdle or next line should resistance, support or CPR outer line will come out. Iganashi candle and indicators also will give the indication whether it is. But this is the main. These are secondary only. It will give later. At later part it will give. So you have to be careful. Okay, this is the lesson. This is the main important lesson. It cost me around 2,000 rupees. Okay, 2,000 rupees. I know this, but I did not follow and entered loss. Okay, dear subscribers, I want to show the orders and the profit made. Profit today it was a loss of 1,200 rupees. Two trades, so 40 brokerage and around 1,300 loss. I want to do two orders, and afterwards also I entered, but I cancelled those orders. I don't want to continue. So this was happened today. So subscribers, viewers, I think this video will be useful for you in your trades, and I will suffered a loss in this trade. Kindly like this and give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next trade video. Okay, bye. If you have any comments, please let me know. Bye.